Welcome to the next Rapido video. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add images to your application, whether those are from your gallery, from your camera, or even URLs. So of course, to start with, as always, we're going to add a document list to our application. So let me just write a little code here, create a document list. And every document list needs a string, which is the document type to start. And then, as often, I'm going to add a labels property, which will help me tell the document list what kinds of fields to expect in its documents. Okay, so I'm going to add, for this application, just going to be very simple. So I'm just going to add two fields. One I'm going to call image. Very important here that it ends in the word image. And then I'm going to add another field just to hold the title. So I'll just call that title. Okay, so now I've written that code to create the document list. Now that I've created the document list, I just have to use the document list. And I'm going to use it down here. I'm going to replace this vanilla scaffold with a special scaffold in Rapido called DocumentList scaffold. And all I have to do is pass in the document list, and then Rapido will be able to create all the UI for me that I need. So why don't we run this on a phone and you can see how it works on the phone. Okay, I've loaded it onto my phone. Now let's take a look at some of the functionality that we get for free. Okay, here's the application, and I'm going to hit the plus button to bring up the document form, which is created by Rapido automatically based on what's in the document list. So now that I have that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click that URL link, and that will bring up a dialog. Okay, so now I'm going to paste in a URL that points to an image in the dialog, and you can see Rapido's handled that for me. It's found the image, and it's displaying it for the user. Now I'm just going to add in a title for it. And then when I hit OK, it adds it to the list. So the next thing that I'm going to do is use the camera. I'm going to click the camera icon, and then you'll see it'll bring up the camera for me. And now I'm just going to use the camera. I'm going to take a picture. I just have these silly little monkey dolls here on my desk. So take a picture and name those. And now what's going to do is it's going to copy that image into the local directory. That, by the way, also works with the gallery. So next I'm going to hit the gallery button and it'll bring up the gallery. Okay, so just need to hit the gallery button. I'll pick my image from the gallery. Again, it'll copy it to the application's local directory, give it a name, and I'm done. So I've shown how by using the field names ending in image, it supports images from the URL, Rapido supports images from the gallery, Rapido supports images from the camera. But I also remember I named the title with the field name title, and that's kind of cool because that means then those can be used in a kind of hidden feature called the document page. Let's see what happens when I click one of the default list tiles. So now you'll see as I go through these that the title field is used as the title page, and it doesn't matter where I got the image, they all display just fine.